Hello, let's understand Elliott wave analysis of Nifty as on 31st July 12 o'clock 5 pm in noon. So, let's first see 15-minute chart of Nifty to understand the current development of the chart. So, this is the chart. Okay, here we can see that wave 1 and 2 is completed in this zone and wave 3 is here and 4 is in the progress. Now this pattern is very complex. It is much complex than what we can expect. So initially I thought that 4 has been completed here as zigzag ABC, but after that point it looked like that upward direction is not impulse and chance of ending diagonal triangle was very high. Like this may be 1, 2, 3, and I expected 4 to complete somewhere around here because this was the pattern negation zone, but Nifty broke this zone and probability of ending diagonal triangle has been negated. So this is not ending diagonal triangle or this is not zigzag. Ultimately it's a very complex pattern, which is, if you see, it is like A, B, C here and X as ABC. This is ABC, ABC, X, and downside it is also A, B and C. Now C can complete somewhere around in this zone, which is given around 11,050. Max it can go 10,950-60 zone. Okay, so this is, I am not expecting this to go much beyond this level. I am expecting it to get completed around 11,050, near 11,050. So this is the zone. This is the zone where we can expect Nifty to end correction of wave 4. This is the zone 10,000, 11,050 and 10,960. So this is the 100-point zone where we can expect correction to get completed very soon, and then upward journey will start as wave 5. Mind you, this is a complex pattern, so just I am taking a probable count how it can progress. Please understand, this is not a impulse structure or complete 5-way structure. So I am considering that complex correction of wave 4 is under progress. Okay, so it is ABCX and downside ABC. So this is second probability where if ABC is completed and this is wave 5, in that case we need to see a full impulse structure. Either it can go like this with wave 5, extended wave 5 here, or if we consider this as 5th wave and 1 and 2 is completed, then I want to see this third wave below 10,870. So this is a critical level 10,870. I want to see a very good break below this. I am just not saying that touch. It should comfortably achieve this level. Then I can consider that top has been made, 5 is there rather than X. So this is a very minute possibility, but we cannot ignore that. Okay. If it is a correction, then it should go up with an impulse structure of wave 5, either clear cut 5-way up or ending diagonal triangle. So level of 11,341 with the previous high and 10,870 is very crucial. Now understand the projection. So here we can see that 1, 2 and 3 completed, 4 under progress, 4 under progress. So 1, 2, 3 completed, 4 under progress. This is not an exit low. We are just expecting where it can end. Okay. Now as an upward movement, we can calculate around 11,050 and how far it can go. So these are the level where it can reach. So this is a critical zone around 10,000, 11,400 to 11,500. You can consider 100-point zone 11,400 to 11,500. We need to see exit low. So now these two levels are very crucial, above 11,341 and 10,870. So we need to check. This will decide what is the future progress of the Nifty and what is the pattern. Thank you very much. We will see in coming days what is happening very soon, because some pattern is very close to its end. Please follow this with coming within 1 or 2 days. It will be very clear. Please like, if you like this, share and subscribe. Thank you.